guys, it's Carla from Wine Gear. So we had a suggestion the other day on our Facebook page that we hadn't actually thought about. So we thought we'd try it out today. So it was Vince, and Vince suggested that we aerate our wine using a blender. So we thought we'd try it out and see what would actually happen. So let me just give this a go. And we can mix, chop, blend, or liquefy. So I think we'll actually just choose maybe blend the wine. Good option.